Well, welcome back from vacation, both of you. Nice hot weather.
Good to be back. And yes, 91 this afternoon. We've got heat in the forecast, although if you don't like high heat, high humidity, I do have a couple of days out of the next 7 that will be your days, and I'll have that for you in just a second. By the way, today's high 91 was the 18th day in the 90s so far this year. Average for a typical year, 15. So we're above that, and we will be counting more 90-degree days as we look ahead. Sunshine over downtown Indianapolis. It is 89. Winds west-northwest at 9. Feels like 91 thanks to that dew point sitting at 65. Dew points will be much higher this time tomorrow, so as the muggy meter goes up, those heat index values will be in the range of 95 to maybe nearing 100 during the day tomorrow as those dew point temperatures climb into the low to mid 70s. They will head back down Wednesday, Thursday. Those will be your comfortable days this week before headed back into that uncomfortable range by the end of the week and the start of the weekend. Tuesday forecast. If you need some dry time, you'll have the early half of the day with sunshine. 76 at 8 a.m., 10 a.m. temperature 83, so it's going to be a fast warm-up. Low 90s in the forecast with the chance for some late-day storms. There is a slight risk for severe weather. We're on our scale of 1 to 5, technically at a 1. We may see a couple of those stronger storms with some damaging winds. Now to the timeline. Anytime after 1 o'clock, scattered showers and thunderstorms will develop. A few strong to severe storms can't be ruled out. This boundary pushes south, and that's when we're going to get a break from the high heat, high humidity. That will happen on Wednesday as high temperatures fall back into the mid-80s. We'll get 2 days in a row in the 80s before the 90-degree heat returns. 92 tomorrow afternoon with late-day storms. Best chance for storms 1 p.m. to about 9 p.m. Heat index may near 100. Lots of sunshine. More comfortable day on Wednesday. 86, 88 Thursday. 90s are back by Friday, and they stick around through the weekend.